All right, guys, we're here trying to attempt some repairs on this roof. As you can see, this roof is in really bad shape. As you can see above the wind crease, there's really no damage, just some age and granule loss. I've got my roof snake. I'm going to use this to mitigate some manipulation of the shingle. I'm going to set my phone down. I tried to color match, but I'm not, this thing's just toasted. I can't, it's a whole bunch of different colors. I'm going to set this right here so you guys can see me perform the repair. Ooh, there we go. Let's see what we got here. All right. So again, guys, I'm gonna use a roof snake to mitigate some manipulation of the shingle. Get 2 rows of shingles lifted up, get the nails out. I gotta find where the shingle starts. In bad shape. Looks like it's 1, 2, 3. Roof snake just came through right here. I'll show you in a second. I'm trying to do it real light so I don't mess anything up too bad. One nail. Let's go above it. All right, guys, this shingle just tore right here as well. Quick. All right, guys, this shingle's now breaking right here at the top. You get this nail out. I'll show y'all some breaks going on. I've got a puncture so far using the roof snake. I've got a break, another puncture, a shingle tear. Let's see if we can get this guy out yet. We got one more nail over here. All right, guys. I'm gonna finish the repair, but I'm gonna show you what we're looking at. All right, so right here now, it started to crease. You can see it breaking. Oh, let me zoom back. It's breaking right here at the top. All right, it's broken. If you see right there, it's got a crease now. So that's a bad shingle. Right here. All right, I'm gonna lift it up just a little. You can see that break in the shingle. The roof snake came through it. All right, I'll put my chalk under it. Hopefully the chalk will come out. You can see right there, It's broken. You can see the head of the chalk. I'll continue, but this is just not a repairable roof. I'm gonna get the shingle out. I think we got all the nails. Yeah, there it goes. Got a GAF product, courtesy of your local Home Depot. Kind of got a brown color to it. It's just got a brown tinge. Seems very, that's trying to match it best as possible. Be real careful not to lift these shingles too high. Get a nice in there. All right, line it up good. We're gonna use the roof snake to put the nails back in. 4 nails are going in 90 degrees with decking. That's manufacturing guidelines. Again, I'm gonna try to lift this as easy as possible. I'm gonna nail it in the nail strip. All right. And before these, again, lift as easy as possible. Nail it in the nail strip. I'm gonna go back and knock the heads of these down with the roof snake as well. I'm just gonna get them in there real quick. One more. Yeah, guys, this crease is just getting worse and worse as we go. All right, this is the last one, guys. It'll be 4 nails. These almost went all the way in. All right, the repair is complete. Now we have another broken shingle, a puncture right there. It's breaking across this entire shingle. It's starting to break here. It's just not a good candidate for repair.